So we're at the main line. Well, we got assigned to the left or right to the back to the main line, or back the way we came for plan B, but I'm thinking we go north. We have ourselves another trail marker. This is main line, which is what I'm on, or I think it takes me back to the main line, or we have Red Dog. I think I'm gonna stick to main line. It just feels right. And I like the look of the trail. So that's just a good looking trail. Let's do this. Alright, we got ourselves another sign. We got the main line, which is where I'm going. Where we got the Ripper. I feel like I'm going to stick to the main line though. Or the trail going back to the main line. So I might start heading back. Sorry, I didn't go very far. Not at all, actually. We got Lake Sawyer RRCO back, but we have Creekside East going this way. It says nothing about bridge. So I'm going to stay in the direction I was going. Alright, so I'm using the Canon. Thought I'd share my reasoning for why I'm doing this. Well, one, I need to exercise for the hike, but 2024, I want to try to get back into hiking like I used to. Start putting some miles in. I don't know if it's going to dominate my whole channel because I still want to do other things, but I need the exercise. So and as you can see with this place, it's not far from my house, and I have plenty of trail options I can take. I can either bring you guys along or just not. Gives me a chance to kind of go over some hiking philosophies, some hiking gear. I was thinking about doing some things this coming year that I don't normally do. Like, I think it'd be kind of interesting to do like an overnighter with like hiking gear. I don't know if I have to find hikes in the national forest so I can do fire. Which, this little haversack, I don't know if I'd make it through the night with that without freezing. It gets really cold at night. Plus it's winter. Well, actually, I don't think it's officially winter yet. I think we're like days away from it being winter. Is this the 20th, I think it is? The official first day of winter? I'm not sure, but I think it'd be kind of fun to do try an overnighter, like I said, with hiking gear. I think it would be interesting. Hopefully, see if it sucks. Test out some systems. Test out some tarps that I already have. I don't want to go buying a whole bunch of gear when I've already got gear. So, and another thing about hiking too. The only thing I need to come out here is gas to get me here. I can eat before I leave the house, or I can eat when I get home. It doesn't matter if there's snow on the ground, because I have wool socks, plus I'll be moving, and you can dress for it. I've hiked in the winter before. In this area, it's mostly flat, pretty easy going. Baby steps. I used to be in a lot better hiking shape, but I haven't kept it up, so I dropped out of hiking shape. Not that I was like, fit, but I mean, I've hiked some pretty strenuous hikes. I felt it getting back, but I still made it. So it looks like we're back at the main line. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. Kind of what I'm thinking. A little philosophy. I think the overnighters would be kind of interesting. It's something I haven't done a whole lot. So Alright, let's see. Oh, we're not at the main line yet. We are on Lake Sawyer RRCO. Now, actually, I did a hike where I went to the trailhead way down the road south of here, quite a ways, and what is it? Quite a ways, and I went up that hill, drank some, tea on top of the hill. I'm trying to remember what the hike was called. Oh, this one is also the Lake Sawyer. Oh, there's a bridge. Well, if there's a bridge, we gotta go see the bridge. I mean, screw everything else. I can always come back this way if I have to. Sorry, I'm holding a camera with tripod while navigating another camera and trying to talk. Need a cameraman. Alright, so let's go check the bridge out. Alright, so we're on the bridge. I could actually hear the water as I was coming up. So we got ourselves a creek. I'll have to look up what the creek's called. But it's sun in front of the camera, so hopefully it's not too glared. Actually looks like a pretty well built bridge. I was really hoping there was going to be a bench or something so I could do a bag dump. I was also hoping I'd see some critters. Maybe a beaver or a heron or something. I wonder if that's the dam right there. Like right. If I can zoom in. You think that's a beaver dam? Or maybe just be a cluster of logs. Or maybe that's what they want you to think. By the way, how much would it suck to drop this camera? The water's probably, I'd estimate, waist deep. And the camera being waterproof, I could go get it, which I probably would, like an idiot. Take my boots and socks off and wade in that cold ass water. And then hightail it back to the car and skip the store and run home and change, because I would be cold. I don't think I'd be hypothermic, but that would suck. So maybe it's a good idea not to hang it over the edge. It's kind of pretty, I think. How'd I dig shit like this? Nope, we got a guy on a bike. Hang on. How you doing? So the guy on the bike, I pulled the tripod leg up, to get it out of his way because he's on a bike, but didn't say a word. And I said, "How you doing?" Didn't say anything. Like, okay, I was trying to be nice. Whatevs. Yeah, see right here. There's you can get right down to the water. That's where I would go in at. Sit here, take my shoes, socks off, wade in, cussing, get my camera, hurry back out, put my shoes and socks back on. And I don't have a towel with me, so that would suck. But I'd do it for my camera. As silly as that probably sounds. Alright, we're making a plan B. We're gonna keep going south. But I see there's an offshoot trail on the right here, so the main line should be on the other side of this pond. So if I head east, I should hit the main line, which if I head south then, it'll take me back to south. Because this is north. That way is north. This way is east. And south is back this way. So, I know that without a compass. So we'll go this way. Maybe it'll be scenic. And we'll reconnect with the main line and then head back to the car and call it a day. So, nice little waterway here. It would be wrong not to go down stand it. It's banks. Yeah, see? I wouldn't say it was a waterfall, but it's water coming over, looks like, so I can zoom in. See, that's what I heard. So, looks like there's a trail right over there too. You know what, I bet when it's dry you could probably walk across. I bet. But, you know, it actually rained pretty hard a few days last week, so. Alright. Get back to it. I think I saw a sign as well. Check the sign. What the hell? Come on, legs. Do your job. This is Caboose. And we got a bike coming. Move out of the way. I can't see what the little arrow says. So hang on.